Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, we are going to find the value of k that makes these given trinomials a perfect square. So we will be working on these two examples. To get a full understanding of this topic, please watch this video till the very end for additional practice problems. So let's get started with our very first example. In this example, our trinomial is x squared plus kx plus 36, and we want to find the value of k for which this trinomial becomes a perfect square. And we know that a trinomial is a perfect square if its discriminant b squared minus 4ac equal to 0. So in other words, we need to find the value of this discriminant b squared minus 4ac equal to 0. That means we need to find a, b, and c values. So now let's compare this trinomial with our standard form of this quadratic expression. If we compare with this one, we know that our a equals to 1, b is going to be equal to k, and c is going to be equal to 36. So now let's figure out the value of b squared minus 4ac, which is equal to 0. We know b is k, so I'm going to put down k squared minus 4 times a is 1, c is 36. Let's simplify. This is equal to 0, and this is k squared minus, when you multiply this one, this is going to be a 144 equal to 0, and that is if you move this negative for 144 on the other side, so k squared equals to positive 144. And let's now remove this square by taking the square root on both sides. So we're going to have k equal to positive or negative 12. Why did I put positive and negative signs? Because we have the highest degree is 2, so we must have two solutions. So k turns out to be positive negative 12. So thus our k value turns out to be either positive 12 or negative 12, and that is our answer. And now let's move on to our next example. In this problem, 3x squared minus kx plus 7, we want to find the k value so that this trinomial becomes a perfect square. And we know that a perfect square trinomial will always have a discriminant b squared minus 4ac equal to 0. That means we must find the value of this discriminant. So for that purpose, we need to find the values of a, b, and c. So let's compare this given trinomial with the standard form of this quadratic expression. If we compare this one, we can see that our a is 3, b is negative k, and c is positive 7. So let's fill in the blanks in this discriminant. B square, b in our case is negative k square minus 4 times a is 3, c is 7 equal to 0. Negative k square is going to become k square minus, when you multiply this thing, that's going to give us 84 equal to 0. Let's move this 84 on the other side, so k square turns out to be positive 84. Now let's remove this square of k. We're gonna take the square root on both sides, so k turns out to be positive or negative square root of 84. And we know that the square root of 84 could be written as, I did this kind of calculations right up here. 84, if we split these 4 and 21, we got 2 times square root of 21. So that means I can write k equals to plus or minus 2 times square root of 21. So thus our k values turns out to be a 2 times square root of 21, or k equals to negative 2 times square root of 21, and that is our answer. And here is your assignment. Can you do this problem on your own? You can take your time. Luckily, I have already uploaded this video as well. Please go ahead and check it out and see the correct answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.